Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix a black screen on iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. The screen is the key entrance for you to enjoy the wonderful features and functions of iPhone 15. Occasionally, you may find the iPhone 15 screen goes black randomly. In some cases, iPhone 15 will still ring, vibrate and make sound as if it's on, but the screen remains black and will not wake up. While in other cases, you might experience iPhone 15 black screen of death, where the device is totally unresponsive. When it comes to what causes iPhone 15 black screen, overheating, malfunctioning connection, dead battery, system glitches, update failure, unknown malware, and screen damage are possible culprits. If you have no idea how to fix iPhone 15 black screen, we're here to help. There are some workable troubleshooting steps to help fix the black screen and make it back to its working order. Simply follow them one by one until you sort your problem out. Step 1. Cool down your iPhone 15 if it overheats. When your iPhone 15 screen is black and the device is overheated, the first thing you should do is to cool it down. High temperature tends to make the system and even the screen fail to work normally. As a result, the device screen becomes black and gets stuck. And this is why you can still receive calls and notifications, but unable to see or answer in the black screen. So, place the device in an appropriate environment and see if it goes back to working order. Step 2. Remove all connected devices. Incompatible devices connected to your iPhone 15 may cause the black screen problem. To troubleshoot it, try unplugging all the external devices from your iPhone 15. This includes headphones, the external speaker, Bluetooth devices and so on. If iPhone 15 has a screen protector or phone case with it, take it off, too. See if your iPhone 15 black screen turns on itself. Step 3. Charge the dead battery on iPhone 15. Obviously, if the battery runs out of the power, an iPhone 15 will normally shut down and the black screen will show up. To turn it back on, plug your device into a wall power outlet firmly. Usually, as soon as the battery gets enough power, iPhone 15 will turn on automatically. If your iPhone 15 screen goes black while charging, check if there is any visible damage to the cable and charger and switch to another one to have a try. Step 4. Force restart iPhone 15 black screen. A forced restart can help remove the bugs and errors that accidentally emerge from the operating system. If you suspect the system glitches are what cause your iPhone 15 screen to turn black, you can try this way to fix it. Here are the steps. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for a while until you see the Apple logo. You can try more times if you can't succeed once. According to users' feedback, this trick can work whether you have an iPhone 15 black screen but still on or you're troubled with black screen of death issue. Besides, if the black screen is fixed after your iPhone 15 restarts, it's advised to uninstall or delete the third-party apps that often lead to black screen if any. Step 5. Fix black screen using iPhone 15's recovery mode options. Using Apple's iTunes or Finder application can also help when your iPhone 15 is on black screen. They can help install the latest software firmware into your phone and work out the system issues automatically. To do this, you need to put the iPhone 15 into recovery mode first. We'll show you how to do that below. Open the computer and run iTunes or Finder after installing it. Connect your iPhone 15 to the computer using a USB cable. Then, enter recovery mode on your phone. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Keep holding the power button even when you see the Apple logo screen. When you see a computer, a USB cable, and a link showing up on a black screen, release the power button. It's a recovery mode screen. Just repeat the steps to enter again if you fail. Once done, go to your computer. Now, iTunes or Finder can quickly connect to your iPhone 15 in recovery mode. A message dialog box should have popped up, offering Update and Restore 2 buttons. For your information, the Update option is to upgrade iOS without causing data loss. The Restore option is to delete everything and factory reset the device. Try the Update feature first. If that won't work to fix black screen on iPhone 15, repeat the steps to factory reset the phone. Go through all the on-screen steps until it tells you that the update process is beginning. After your iPhone 15 finishes the update, inspect if the phone gets past the black screen and turns on properly now. Step 6. Repair the black screen on Apple. Finally, heading to Apple Authorized Service Center may be required to get your iPhone 15 up and running again. All these solutions aim to fix the software-related black screen problems. If no avail, it indicates that it's an issue with the hardware. The technician in Apple Repair Center could do you a favor to fix the iPhone 15 screen going black issue. That's all for how to fix iPhone 15 black screen of death. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.